Hello, it's Ryan from Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the C.H. Hanson pencil kit, 15 round tip pencils. And what's unique about this is it includes a sharpener that you can use in your drill or by hand. So the tube of pencils is, works really good. We've used quite a few of these over the past year and a half, and the case has held up very, very well. Pencils are of high quality. Nice hardwood, has a good feel. Nice eraser on it. Holds its shape. It's not real flimsy, so it's going to be harder to break off. And the sharpener, again, as you can see here, you can put it into a drill or impact driver, or you can do it by hand. I'm going to make a mess. So maybe 10, 15, and you'll have your pencil sharpened with just a few rotations. So with your finger, you can just lightly apply a little bit of pressure, and it's very easy to sharpen. And then you can also put it on an impact driver or drill, and mere seconds you have a very nice sharp pencil. So really nice kit, 15 pencils with included sharpener. Get them here on Amazon today.